my warm welcome to you. So your video is mute, I think.
Yeah, so I'm so sorry.
So your video is mute.
Is it fine now?
Yeah. Yes, sir, it's fine.
Okay, so I was just sharing that I'm really honored and I thank you for having me at this, chat. And I hope I'm able to have something of, worth to what you would expect from me.
Okay,
So
sir.
thank you so
So,
much.
thank
Welcome,
you, sir. So further, my friend Sadia will continue this meeting. Sadia, over to you.
Hello, am I audible and visible?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, Ms. Sadia, you are visible.
Hello, sir. A very good morning to you and all my dear friends watching this. I, Shada Sadia, on behalf of my Hey Foodie team, would like to welcome you to our talk show.
Thank you so much. And it's a pleasure.
Thank you, sir. So, sir, how are you?
I am very, very good. I am really good, enjoying, and as far as life is good, I'm good.
Very good, sir. So, first, let me make you familiar with our company. Hey Foodie is actually a team that focuses on serving healthy food, on distributing healthy food, and it also focuses on spreading awareness about healthy eating habits. And now that I've mentioned health, the first thing that comes to my mind is the historical pandemic that is going. So I would like to ask, how is your journey going through it?
See, as the name of your company suggests, Hey Foodie, so I would just love to say that I am a foodie. Now, being a foodie, I am currently missing going out with my, family, going out with my friends to various restaurants, trying out new dishes. That is what I am missing. And food is also a kind of addiction for me. So I just can't stay away without food. But yes, I am, taking care of that by preparing various kind of dishes at home. I've been experimenting with dishes at home, helping my wife and helping my family by, I do not know whether awful or good, but I have been preparing some food, and YouTube has always been kind enough to help me through that journey. Yeah, so
Amazing, sir.
I'm taking care.
Yes, sir. Please continue, sir.
Yeah, so that's how the pandemic has actually, separated me or kept me away. But that's all. I Food is something, as I said, I would never ever let go of, no matter wherever I am. And I can literally gorge on any kind of food. Any kind of food. I have no, particular, selection of food as such. So
So
you
I
can
think we are on
understand
the
how big
same
a
team,
foodie.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I already said. See,
Yes, sir. You would like to say something, sir?
no, I think that will be all for now because as far as your question goes, I think that's all that I would like to say because it
Sure,
really
sir. So
aches my heart.
definitely, sir. सबका दुख same है, sir, actually.
I can understand,
Yes,
especially
sir.
your generation.
Yes, sir. So as our session will all be about food and cooking, so do you think that, what do you think actually, that it is more of a male dominating section or a female dominating section, the cooking area?
See, the cooking as such, I would like to first say that in India, I'm talking per se India. In India, cooking primarily would be, I can divide it into two very, very categoric approaches. One, the household, second, the profession. When you talk of the households, there is undoubtedly a woman dominance there. And when you talk of professions like the hospitality industry, where you go to the various restaurants, the five-star hotels and all, there is obviously a male dominance. So if you talk about dominance, that's how it is being dominated. The chefs in five-star and restaurants are more of, males. In fact, for that matter, even if you see the catering services, the local catering services at various parties, they are also being dominated by men. It is men who cook the food. But when you talk about general household, it is definitely our moms and sisters who are having that dominance.
Okay, sir. So now that you have mentioned hotels and hotels in hotel industry, basically, the new trend has been introduced named contactless dining. So what is your
Mhm.
take on that? How
See, as far
beneficial
as
it is?
contact lens dining is concerned, this concept was already introduced by some foreign brands like McDonald's, KFC in the metros earlier as well. Now, when I was staying in Bombay, I had my experience and share of this takeaways from these brands. But now, because of this pandemic thing, people are now very, very well versed. The general people from any mid-town cities or towns are also well versed with this contact lens service of food. Well, I think the experience of sitting and dining in a restaurant is something which cannot be, compromised by just a takeaway. But I think that is just an escape route for people to still have restaurant food. That's it. But the experience, if you really call about an experience, I wouldn't say that it suffices. The experience is not there. The heart is missing.
I agree, sir. I agree. Yes, sir. You were saying something?
No, that's it. I think what changes by this takeaway service is the food. The ambience remains the same, which is your home. The cutlery remains the same, which you use on a day-to-day basis.
Yes, sir.
And everything is same except the food served on your platter. But that
Yes.
feel, the look and feel of sitting in a restaurant, having a music playing in the background, that's completely different an experience.
Yes, sir. So talking about experiences, if I talk about our first cooking experiences, I'm sure most of us would have our first experience during our hostel life. So do you have any stories to share of your hostel life? Any midnight snack stories?
Oh, absolutely. And this would be first, I think, wherein I'm going public and, letting this out. Few of my students and few of my family and friends know about this. I learned cooking from hostel, though it started off with a miserable experience. I somehow, that was my first day, I remember, when I just wanted to experiment. I took 6 eggs and I wanted to boil them and have boiled eggs. And surprisingly, I put those 6 eggs in a container and put them on the fire. And I didn't know the right amount of water that needs to be used. So I just poured in a cup of water in those 6 eggs. And I just went off hoping that the eggs would be cooked. After a few moments, I returned. The water was nowhere there in the container. It had all evaporated with only the eggs there. And the eggs had gone black. It had gone completely black. I had to literally throw them away. So that was a disaster. But yes, gradually, sometimes the salt being more, sometimes the sugar being less. And that was a journey. And today I can cook, thanks to my hostel days.
So do you think, sir, that you can give a tough competition to the ladies out there?
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I can. I definitely can. I'm very proud of my cooking now.
Wow, sir. So, as a child, I was quite addicted to a kind of a snacks named Dip Tricks. It used to be like the biscuits available, and there used to be some cream. We used to dip and eat it, and I loved it. And I hate for the fact, that आज वो मिलता नहीं है market में. So, is there any food item of your childhood memory that you really missed it today?
As I said, I am a foodie and I have been at that time since childhood. So there was no specific snack or specific food that I miss today. But yes, there have been products that have come and gone out of market. I remember there was a chocolate, okay, by the name Fudge. Okay, and we used to get lovely stickers of He-Man, Batman, Phantom, and all that with every purchase of that fudge. And it was a good big bar of fudge. I miss that chocolate because it was yum, that chocolate, and it is no longer available. So yeah, that I miss. But apart from that, as far as snacks and food is concerned, I don't miss. But if you ask me right now that after I have grown and now do I miss anything? Yes, I absolutely do miss, because as I said, I was staying in Bombay, now in Jamshedpur. I miss the vada pav, I miss the kachi dabeli, and I miss the misal pav. These are three Maharashtrian specialities which I just miss. I mean, every day I wish I got that, those three dishes in front of me. But unfortunately, I can't. So I miss them.
It really shows how foodie you are. Yes.
Absolutely.
Okay, sir. So I want to mention that you belong to marketing department. So would you like to give any inputs, any suggestions to a company that would help us as the marketing strategy?
See, as far I was just going, hello.
Yes, sir. You're audible.
Your voice is cracking. I am unable to hear your voice properly. What were you saying? Our company? Hello? You said
Hello,
something
sir.
about our company.
Yes, sir. I would like to ask you some suggestion, to give some suggestion or any advice to the marketing department of a company that would help as a marketing strategy.
See, when you talk about a company, okay, and the person who has started a company, he always initiates it with a particular thought.
Yes.
I believe that when it is something which, say, for example, your company is a food and the owner supposedly, okay, now he has to believe in what he is giving, okay? He has to feel himself as the person eating it. The moment he starts taking it up as a business wherein he is just doing a transaction for money, gradually in a few years, that essence would be lost. In order to keep that essence alive, you need to be alive from inside. So your core, your liking as a person whose brand it is, that needs to flow through your food. So always keep that essence going. That is very, very essential. It's not just about earning money. It is about an experience that you share. Otherwise, there are thousands of restaurants in and around. Why should a person buy your food? Why should he? Why should I invest a 200 or a 500 on your food? It is that experience. I was just going through your USP. Now, there were a couple of USP there. If my suggestion, I do not want to offend anyone, but if you take my suggestion, I feel that experience should be something which should be there. Okay? The difference. Because unique, it has to be unique. It's unique selling proposition. So there has to be some uniqueness. Find out that uniqueness. You need to interact with your, initiator. Ask him if he were a customer, what was he that he was looking out for? If he has the answer, his brand has the answer.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable input. We would definitely consider it. And now, sir, my session would be incomplete if I don't ask a typical question. I mean, as your name says that you belong to a Bengali family, do you like fish? Like, is it the priority for you?
I do not eat fish. This question has been asked to me by n number of people whom I meet. Yes, so I am a Bengali, but I do not love fish. I just cannot stand the smell of a fish. So No, I don't eat fish.
Okay, sir.
But yes,
So now,
I would just like to state something. There is one exception to the rule, which is hilsa. In Bengali, we call that ilish. That is one fish which is a seasonal fish available during the monsoons. That is one fish that I love. Otherwise, no other fish on the earth.
okay, sir. So now I would like to introduce Vidisha. She will add some fun element to this session. Over to you, Vidisha. Hello, sir. Good morning. Am I audible?
Hello.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay. So you sure my voice is pretty clear that you'll get what I'm saying? Okay.
And first of all, a very good morning to you, Vidisha.
Thank you, sir. It's really nice to have you. खैर अभी हमारे मतलब यहाँ बहुत सारी बातचीत हो गई. अब हम क्या करेंगे? अब हम थोड़ा out of the topic, we'll have some fun, we'll have some pahelis, and you will have to guess what I'm talking about. Okay?
I'm
So
I'm very bad with pahelis. Huh? I'm very bad with
don't worry,
puzzles
don't
and all.
worry.
So please.
In that case, I'm very bad with Hindi. So I'll try, we'll work on 50-50 karke we'll manage. Okay? Okay. So the first question is, there is a fruit which names start with a female name. I'll be giving you the options and you need to guess. Okay?
Mhm.
There is a
Okay.
एक फल है जिसका नाम किसी एक महीने के नाम से शुरू होता है. ठीक है? And your options are सीताफल, गौरी फल, मीरा फल. Any guesses?
सीताफल
हाँ
हिंदी में ही है ना जो भी है
हाँ
या
हाँ
आई डू
हाँ sorry. नहीं हिंदी में.
महीने के नाम से ओके
महीने नहीं,
सीताफल
with a lady's name. With a lady's name.
सीताफल
Right, you got it. You got it.
probably
Okay, the
सीताफल
right answer is सीताफल. Yes, sir. Okay. So this next question is, वो कौन सी चीज है जो बांटने से बढ़ती है और जमा करने से घटती है? ठीक है? इसके ऑप्शंस कुछ इस तरीके से हैं. खाना, किताबें और ज्ञान.
ज्ञान
बढ़िया, you got it
अकॉर्डिंग टू
right.
मी ज्ञान
It's right, sir. It's right. Gyan is the right answer. Okay. So my next question to you is, वो कौन है जिसको पीटने पर लोग को बहुत मजा आता है? वो कौन सी चीज है जिसको लोगों को पीटने में बड़ा मजा आता है? आपके ऑप्शंस है थाली, ताली और ढोलक.
ताली और ढोलक दोनों में से ढोलक भी हो
I
सकता
want
है
one answer. I want one answer.
ओके मजा आता है
None of the above.
none of the okay I would say ताली because generally हम ताली बजाते हैं खुशी के लिए ही so
हाँ सर, लेकिन ये आंसर गलत है. ताली बजाने पे अपने आप, अगर जोर से ताली बजाएंगे तो अपने हाथ पे चोट लगती है, लेकिन अगर ढोलक को बजाएंगे तो ढोलक पे लगती है. ठीक है? So
okay
ढोलक is
okay that's clever okay yes
okay. So the next question is, वो कौन सी सब्जी है जिसमें ताला और चाबी दोनों आते हैं? ठीक है? वो कौन सी सब्जी है जिसमें ताला और चाबी दोनों आते हैं? एंड योर ऑप्शंस आर कद्दू, लौकी, बैगन.
लौकी
There, you got it right. Perfect. You have a pretty good knowledge of pahelis. Okay, so the last question. हरी डंडी लाल कमान, तौबा. एक मिनट, sorry. Okay, let me skip this question. I'm not able to read it. The Hindi is quite tough. So I'll move on to the rapid fire. Okay? The rapid
Okay.
fire is a place where I'll be throwing random questions to you, और जो चीज आपके दिमाग में पहले स्ट्राइक करे वो जवाब आपको देनी है. ठीक है? For example, if you ask me chocolate or ice cream, I'll go for chocolate. ठीक है? इस तरीके से. No
Okay.
stress. Whatever
Okay.
you feel like, just randomly reply. ठीक है? Your
Okay.
favorite time pass.
reading
Okay. Your favorite actress.
माधुरी दीक्षित
वड़ा पाव या पाव भाजी.
वड़ा पाव
Okay. What is there which you hate about yourself and you love about yourself?
Hate about myself, my constant, I mean, my attitude of pushing things constantly. I cannot just stick on to something for long. And what I like about myself is reading. Again, I just love reading. You give me books and you give me anything, internet or books, I love it.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Okay.
Undoubtedly
Winter or
coffee.
summer?
Winters. No, I hate winters, summers.
Okay. Your favorite destination?
I always have this, thought of visiting Venice. So Venice would be my ultimate destination.
Okay. छोले कुलचे या आलू के पराठे?
Aloo ke parathe.
Perfect. Now, dog or cats?
Dogs.
Perfect. With that, I come to the end of the gaming round. I hope you enjoyed the show.
Most welcome, Vidisha. At the last bit, I just couldn't hear because it's gone too soft. Could you just repeat what you said?
I said, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure having you. And now I pass
Same,
it on
same.
to
I
our lovely,
enjoyed.
thank you, sir. To our lovely host, Sadia, over to you.
So now, as we have come to the end, so is there any suggestion or any tip you would like to give our youth who's watching you now?
See, yes, I would definitely love to give one suggestion to our youth is I told you initially that I am a foodie and I like all kind of food. And especially today, everything is corporatized and everyone goes for business. So there is a lot of junk available in the market. And junk in the long run is definitely not good for health. Definitely not. So I'm not asking the youth to not have junk because I have junk as well. But you please ensure that you make it up with a balanced diet because that is very, very essential. Make sure that the food you have every day, it has carbohydrates, it has the proteins, it has the vitamins, the fibers, and essential nutrients. At least take that because that will take care of the deficiencies in your body which is created by that junk. Because in no which way junk is beneficial. It'll rotten your system gradually. So have those protective shields for you and rest, enjoy life, and have food.
Thank you, sir.
And yes, one more thing.
Yes, sir.
One more thing. Please stop having alcohol. Please stop smoking. Start having food. That is more beneficial. Become addictive to food.
Definitely, sir. Definitely. I think all my friends will also agree.
Shada, are
Yes,
you getting
sir.
it? What sir told you not to consume?
Yes, yes. 1 second, Robin. Okay. Now I would like to open the house for audience. Audience, can you please switch on the camera, whoever is comfortable? It's for the screenshot purpose. And also, I would like to invite one lucky question. Anyone who wants to ask sir anything, just one lucky question. Audience?
Guys, अपना वीडियो प्लीज ऑन कर ले.
Okay, I have a question. Should I go forward?
Yes, Vidisha, sure.
Okay, sir. Right now you're
Yeah.
a professor, and at once you might have been a student. So,
Right.
what is your best bunk memory?
See, you want which was my best memories, right? As a professor or as a student?
As a student, your best bunking memories.
Okay. Do you want me to really give it out?
Yes, yes, you should.
I don't know if my students are watching or not. Uh, because I
You
always
can
talk
filter
about
few things out
attending
of it.
classes. Okay,
Okay.
I have, I had my higher education from Pune, and
Uh-huh.
studying in Symbiosis, what I used to do is uh, bunk classes. I
Oh,
loved bunking classes and loved to hang out in the cafeteria or loved watching going to movies. Classes was at the last in the priority list. But I don't know, God has been, helpful for giving me good scores. That was okay, taken care of. But classes I really bunked. We used to say हम लोगों का एक कट्टा होता था, मतलब there was a seating space in the campus जिसको हम कट्टा कहते थे. So there used to be a competition कि कौन आके पहले वो कट्टे को occupy करेगा. So you just brought back those memories again, Vidisha. Thank you.
thank you, sir. Thank you for the answer. Over to you.
Thank you, Vidisha. So, sir, thank you so much for attending this session, for accepting the request. It was really wonderful talking to you, sir.
Same here. And I had a pleasure, as I already said, and thank you for having me in this pleasure talk. It was really nice. And kudos to you, to Vidisha, to Soumya. I mean, lovely people to interact with, young people. And I just hope y'all go ahead and achieve all your dreams, everything that you wish for, and may God be with all of you. And I also pray that Hey Foodie goes a long way, becomes a huge hit
Thank you,
in the
sir.
market.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Sir,
sir.
thank you, sir. It's indeed a pleasure to have you with us.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, you
Okay,
will receive.
so
Yes, sir.
yeah, you were telling
Yes, sir. Yes,
something.
continue. Continue, sir.
No, I was asking, you were saying something because the voice is actually breaking at times.
Okay, sorry, sir, for the inconvenience. So, actually, I was saying that you will receive your certificate of participation. Hello? Am I audible?
Mhm. Yes. Now you are.
Sir, actually, I was saying that you will receive your certificate for participation as a small token of gratitude from our side on your email. Okay, sir?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes. Rest,
So
all the audience.
you guys take care.
Sadan,
Yes, sir.
hello.
Yes, sir.
I'm just sharing the screen, the certificate copy. Just hold on.
Okay, sure, sir.
Sir, this is for you.
Oh, it's lovely.
Receive the hard copy and the.
Thank you. It's lovely.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You can also follow us on various social media platforms. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. Bye-bye. Take care and
Bye,
have
sir.
a wonderful day, everyone.
Yes.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.